Hi, my name's Debbie and I repaired my barbecue. It was a handle on the top of the lid. So what I did is I got some wood and I carved it and cut like enough to get my fingers through it, and then I screwed it on the top of the lid, and I felt really good about it because otherwise I would have thrown it away and it would have cost too much money to buy another one because it was a Weber. So it would have been a couple of £100. So I felt really good about it. And I use eSpares for lots of things. I use them for batteries, I use them for parts, I use them for my Hoover bags. I always buy my Hoover bags from them, really good value for money. I get my Hoover filters and I also get my little smelly things that go inside of the Hoover to make it smell nice. So yeah, I think eSpares are really good value for money, really helpful if you just give them a call. You don't always have to do it online. Yeah, and I've also brought a couple of blenders for my daughter and her friend for their birthdays, which are the sports blenders with the cups, so they can go off with their smoothies and go out running and stuff. So yeah, I love eSpares. So that's me and my repairs and my little chat. Thank you very much, and speak to you soon. Bye.